Welcome. In this video, I'll show you 3 ways to check your search history in Brave. All right. So first up, go ahead and open up the browser. And once done, on your keyboard, press Ctrl+H. Okay. If you're using Mac, well, go ahead and press CMD+H. Okay. I'm going to show you right here, Ctrl+H. So you can see here we have the history tab. Now you can go ahead and scroll through your history right here, and you should be good to go. If you want to delete it, just click on delete right here. Okay. Now another option is by clicking on the 3 horizontal lines right here at the top right. Click on it. Click on history. And here we have the recent tabs, and the history tab as well, which is right here, is available in this section. When you click on it, it will redirect us to the same set of page. Now the other option is by using this direct link or URL. Okay. Brave:/history. Okay. I'm going to paste it right here, hit on enter. And as you can see here, we are now under the history tab as well. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.